Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So today I am doing another Halloween themed look, and today I've turned myself into a magician. If you guys like this look and want to see more, make sure you keep watching. And if you want to know about this lipstick, make sure you watch till the end of the video, because I am now working with Coven Kosmetics and they have wonderful liquid lipsticks. Let me tell you what, this is pigmented and so smooth and not drying at all. But I am an affiliate with them, so if you use code SassyCassie10, you will get 10% off your entire Coven Kosmetics purchase. That's their palettes and their liquid lipsticks, which they are coming out with more of as we speak. So if you guys like the way this looks, head over there, and if you use this, I do make a small commission, so it will really help your girl out. But other than that, let's get started. Alright, so to start this tutorial, I'm going into my e.l.f. palette. This is my trusty super old one, but it's great for Halloween makeup. And we're going to start with the eyes. I already have my primer on, so we are going to start with the crease. I am going to use just a base color. I'm going to go into this skin tone one right here and just put this all over the crease. Going in with a pencil brush, I'm going to use this red color down here, and we are going to put this in the crease. I want this to be fairly detailed, so I'm just using some tiny brushes and then we'll blend out with bigger brushes. But for right now, we're just gonna put this in our crease. So for the lid, I'm going to be going in with this kind of charcoal gray color. It's almost black, and we're just going to pack this on the eyelids. To blend the edges of the black, I'm going to go in with this medium purple shade here. Hopefully you guys can see it. On a Luxie brush, and just kind of blend out those edges while also adding a new color. Just pack it on top so that it doesn't blend too much with either color, but just gives us kind of that nice sunset pop of purple. I'm just going to take a bit of this kind of cream color and go under my brows to highlight. Now I'm going to throw on some eyeliner and my lashes, and I will be right back. So now that my lashes and liner are done, I'm going to take a bit of this indigo color and put this on the bottom lash line. Now I'm going to contour with my Wet n Wild contour kit and bronze with my NYX dark matte bronzer. Now I'm going to use my Land of Lollies blush. This is in Lollipop Hop. It's just a nice matte, kind of medium pink. Then I'm going to take Candy Cloud. Again, this is another NYX Christmas blush. This is from the Paradise Fluff collection. And just pat this on so it looks very magical. Now for the lips, I'm going to use my Coven Kosmetics liquid lip in Ritual. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I do have a affiliate link with Coven Kosmetics. It'll be linked down below. If you use code Sassy Cassie, it's 10% off your purchase, and I make a small commission off of it. So it would mean the world to me if you go buy some of their cosmetics and use my code. You don't have to buy this color. You can buy any lipstick and use that code. So this is the end of my magician makeup tutorial. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you did, make sure you hit like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!